Yo, what is up, everyone? Welcome to Gap Trades. You already know who it is. It's your host with the most, Jermaine Hatcher, and today we're going to be talking about do all gap windows fail? That's the topic, that's the discussion for today, and yeah, we're going to be diving into that. Something's off. I don't have no coffee. I need coffee. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get some coffee. You guys watch the intro. About time that ends, I'll be back and we'll dive into the conversation. Alright, cool. Yes, and I am back, people. I got my fix. This is peppermint mocha. Yes, I had to go back to my joint. I had to. Let's go into it. Let's dive right into our discussion. Do all gaps fail? Let me bring up the chart. Here we go. I put this joint in order and it did not stay in order. I do not like that. At all. We're over here. Today we had a gap down. So on gap downs, we go long the market. The reason why we had so much of a gap down, I think it was like 200 and close to 50 something points was the gap down window, is because look, this is last Wednesday over here. Last Wednesday trading window. Let me bring up a bigger screen for you guys so you guys can see it better. Here we go. Bam. So this is 3-day trading chart. So here we go. Wednesday we had a gap up. So on gap ups we go short the market. We was supposed to fill this window here. As you can see, we didn't even come close to it. We end up closing the day right here, and we had a gap up. This window ended up filling. This was yesterday's trading session, Thursday. And so as you can see, we had a gap down. What did this gap down do? It filled Wednesday's gap up window that did not fill. So yes, all gap windows fill. If they don't fill that day, they usually fill sometime in the future. It's either a day later, 2 days later, 3 days later, a week later. It could be even 2 weeks later. But all windows fill. So this is why you shouldn't listen to the news. I'm going to dive into that real quick, because they have to have something to talk about. It's entertainment, pretty much. And they will come up with a reason on why the market tanked 200. Well, we're down right now 284 points. They will come up with a reason why the market is down 280 something points instead of telling the truth. All gaps fill. This is, what I'm saying. The stock market is ran by traders. Let's be frank about it. You have high frequency trading, which is algorithms and computers, and you have traders. Everything is based on patterns. And so, this pattern here always have to be filled. Gap up, gap down windows always have to be filled. And there are certain days that have higher probabilities of filling the windows. So yes, all gap windows filled. Today we're in a gap down. The window filled for Wednesday. So my prediction is we will go further up and fill this window today. We will probably most likely finish the day positive. My prediction. We'll see later on. We're about an hour into the trading right now. So yeah, that was real quick topic on do all gap windows fill, and as you can see, yes it does. And yeah, that's it. So I am about to enjoy my coffee and get my day started and go chill. This Friday. You should do the same thing. So I'll get at you. And we back, baby. That's the end of the topic of the discussion. Yes. So yeah, all gap windows, they end up filling some part of the time, either a day later, 2 days later, 5 days later. Windows do fill. They have to. Traders don't like leaving messy charts, and that's a messy chart, so I'll always come back to it, no matter if it's a high frequency trader, which is algorithms or whatever the case may be, or retail traders like me and you, or institutional traders. This pattern is well known and they use it, and so all gap windows fill. And yeah, that's it. So everybody enjoy their weekend, man. Y'all be safe, and I will holla at y'all mañana. Yeah. And yeah, y'all be smooth, baby. Alright, go. Oh, I'm back. I know y'all thought that this was done, huh? I have to introduce my cat. He's in the video. So that's Garfield. Alright? Now, y'all go back. Enjoy your Friday. I holla.